Hi friends, welcome to Let's Find Out About It. In today's session, we will try to figure out if we have enough money to buy a chocolate bar. Do you guys like chocolate bars? Yeah, me too. In order to buy that chocolate bar, we need money. We need to know what the bills are, what the cents are, and what's it worth. And to do that, we need to explain what money is. So money is what we pay at the store when we want to buy something. Bills are the green papers that you see that are worth $1, $10, $20, $50, and $100. And cents are the little round circles that are shiny that have different colors, that it's dimes, nickels, pennies, and quarters. So first we have the dollar bill. There's many ways that we can make a dollar using cents. For instance, with pennies, we can do 100 pennies to make a dollar bill. And now let's move on with Teacher Mariana to see how many nickels we need to make a dollar.
Hi friends, it's Teacher Mariana. And with me, I have a nickel. It is worth 5 cents, which is 5 pennies in total. Do you know how many nickels are in $1? If you guessed 20 nickels, you're right. 20 nickels are $1. Now let's move on to the dime. Do you know what a dime is?
Hi friends, so I will be explaining the dime. The dime is worth 10 cents. So like Teacher Jennifer had 1 penny that was 1 cent. So the dime will be worth 10 pennies in total. And then to make $1 with dimes, you are going to need 10 dimes. So you just take your dime and you count all the way to 100. So one of them is 10. If you have 2 dimes, that's going to be 20. And then you just keep going up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 until you have 100. That's going to be $1. So now let's go with Teacher Michelle to tell us what a quarter is.
Hello friends! So I have a quarter and it looks like this. It's the biggest out of all the cents and it's worth 25 cents. Did you know that if you have 4 quarters, it equals to $1? Isn't that cool? Now take a look at this bill. It's green and rectangular just like the rest, but this bill has something different, which is that it's worth $5. This means that it equals to 5 $1 bills. Now let's go on to Teacher Elsie.
So now we have the $10 bill. And the $10 bill is worth $10 in total. So which do you guys think is bigger? The $5 bill or the $10 bill? That's right, the $10 bill is worth more. So you can buy more things if you have a $10 bill. Now let's go on to Teacher Mariana to tell us about the $20 bill.
Okay friends, this is what the $20 bill looks like. It is worth 20 whole dollars. Which one is bigger? The $20 bill, the $10 bill, the $5 bill, or the $1 bill? You're right. The $20 bill is bigger than the rest of the bills. What about the $50 bill? Do you know what a $50 bill is worth? Let's go on to Jennifer to tell us about it.
Hi friends. So, as we were talking about the bills, the $50 bill looks like this. And do you guys think that the $50 bill is the biggest bill or is it the smallest bill? It could be the biggest bill, but there's another bill that's bigger than the $50 bill. Do you guys know which bill is that? It's the $100 bill. So the $100 bill looks like this, and you can see that the $50 bill is different than the $100 bill because it has different numbers on it. So friends, did you guys notice anything different about all the dollar bills? Let me put some pictures up so you guys can take a better look. That's right, they all have different numbers and different presidents in the middle of the dollar bill. So now let's move on to a little activity. So like I talked about earlier, we're trying to find out if we have enough money to buy a chocolate bar. The chocolate bar is $1. So which dollar bill could that be? Is it this dollar bill? Is it the dollar bill that teacher Mariana had? Is it the dollar bill that teacher Alce had? Or is it the dollar bill that teacher Michelle had? What do you guys think? If you guys guessed the dollar bill that I had, you guys are correct. My dollar bill is $1, so I could buy a chocolate bar. So next up, we have this TV. This TV is worth $100. So which one do you guys think is the $100 bill? Have you guys found it yet? Well, if you guessed the $100 bill next to teacher Mariana, then you guys are correct. With that $100 bill, I can buy this TV, and now I could watch movies in my room. So friends, that was the end of our session. Hope you guys enjoyed learning about money and doing activities with us. So now let's move on to reading and learn about the book Matthew and Tilly.